Model 2017 Peugeot Expert Pro Std BlueHDi 120S and S6 SP Man 1400 kg body, white, panel van mileage, 92,752 MOT. The 13th of November 2024 engine, 1997 CCDW10FE transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, none-runner timing belt has slipped, engine will need repairing grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £7,475 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.